Oh, hi, Corey here, Cinnamon Gypsy. It's so pretty here. I just missed getting this beautiful heron. Just scooped down in this beautiful, fresh, clear water, and then it just landed out on the point there. It's so big and beautiful. I'm forgetting the name of the little bird. I remember I got it last year, and now I've forgotten the little birds that dip down and back up again like so many of them do, but it's that little one with a stripe on the top with the white and the black stripes. What is the name of that little one? It had a kind of a fun name. Such a pretty tree here too. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Nature, nature, nature. Just coming into your body, coming into your heart. Just taking a nice belly breath in here. And just exhaling all the way back out. Let it go. Just a reminder to tune into your senses, tune into your body. My heart to yours, all my love. Namaste.